What's up, your boy TJ's back, reacting to another Forex trader. Today, it is the trading Geek. I've never actually watched the videos that he's made, so obviously check him out. Link will be down below in the description. Just go in to look at his videos right now. The only gold trading strategy you need. This guy blows quite a lot, to be fair. Pulls views, man. What are these people doing to blow up their channel, man? I get, 5, 10, 100 views. I'm happy with that. 500 views in 10 minutes. And then, my guy's pulling 72k in a video, which is insane. But the video I wanted to react today was the formula to grow a small Forex account in 2023. I think it's important for a lot of people. See what he's actually saying as well. Call out BS if he's BSing. I've never watched him.
Suddenly exploded.
I've never
so
watched
this
him.
video recently popped off and it just suddenly exploded to 100,000 views. I wanted to make this video to give you guys some updated, more advice how to actually grow your small Forex accounts.
Straight away, the quality is way better than my channel. Either he does his own editing or he pays someone, but you can just already tell, You can see why I've only got a few views.
A lot of you who are watching this are
Probably not earning that much money and you have a small Forex trading account.
Yo, look at that! Was that fake money?
To actually grow your small Forex accounts.
a lot of you who are watching this are
Probably not earning that much money and you have a small Forex trading account, but you are unable to grow it. You are struggling to grow it. Oh my god, I miss those times where I'm trying to grow a stupid ass small Forex account. I remember I would deposit $100 and I will expect that it will become $100,000 one day. Too bad that day has never came, or it has not come yet. So the first tip I want to give you guys is that do not use a live account until you are ready. Do not put your hard-earned money into a live trading account until you are ready. So what does it mean? When do you know that you are ready? First thing, before you do anything, before you try out your trading strategy on your live account, you need to try it out on your demo account, right? Try it out on your demo account. And if you cannot win at least 6 out of 10 trades using that trading strategy on a freaking demo account, do not use it on a live trading account.
Yo, if you're not scared, you deposit into a real account and you learn from your mistakes, man.
Stupid. Remember guys, the last thing you want to do is to risk your hard-earned money on some trading strategy that you found on YouTube. Before you do anything, before you start trading your live account, you need to go and backtest that strategy and see whether it works first before trying out with your hard-earned money. Because trust me, you're gonna start losing a lot of money if you just randomly put money into your live trading account when you are not ready, when you do not have proper risk management. All of this stuff add up to determine whether you are ready or not. A good trading strategy, a trading plan, proper risk management, a trading journal, all of these things determines whether you are ready or not. Do you have any one of these 4 things? If not, you are not ready. If you have 3 out of these 4 things, you are not ready. You are only ready when you have these 4 things. The next tip is to do not over leverage. I believe a lot of you guys watching this have already made this mistake. How many times have you deposited $500 or $200 into your account, or even $50 into your trading account and use a leverage that's insane? 1:500, 1:1000 even. Use an insane leverage because you want to grow that account as fast as possible. But then you start opening a trade, you start using a lot size that is way too big for
I hope he's gonna start telling us how to actually grow an
your
account.
account. Use a 0.1 mini lots for an account that has only $100. In the next 5 seconds, you go into a drawdown of 10 pips, 100 pips, and you have lost the entire account. You have blown that account. Let me ask you this serious question. How many times are you going to blow your account before you start realizing that it's not worth it to over leverage? It's not worth it to try to grow that account as fast as possible. Over leveraging only occurs when you do not have self-control. If you have self-control, use a lot.
Yeah, I mean, self-control. If you're a new trader, you need to learn, which is obviously why he's saying get a demo accounts. But the reason why it's hard to grow a small Forex account is because it's a small account. Forex is so difficult to trade consistently for a long period of time. If you're using a small account but over risking, you're already fighting against the odds. So not only are you battling against the markets, you're also battling against yourself, because your account's not good enough or big. Your account's not big enough. So like, take on the risk, and then you end up just losing your money. Like, it's quite cliche, but $100, if you flip that to $200, it's still 100%. If you did that with $1 million account and flipped it to 2 million, you'd be over the moon. So it's the same. It works both ways.
Lot size that is suitable for your account. If not, you will blow that shit. Trust me, you will blow that shit. The next tip is to have a plan. Have a trading plan, or rather have a plan or have a target on how many pips or how many percentage gain do you want to achieve for this week or today. This will really prevent you from over trading. Let me tell you a story. So in my first year of trading, or rather my first few months of trading, I remember there was one time where I deposited $500 into my live trading account and I was able to double it. So $500 went to $1,000 in one day, and then the next day it went to $2,000. So I was like consistently doubling that Forex account, and at that point of time I felt like I was invincible. Nobody has done this before. I'm the best trader in the world. Trust me, I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not gonna lose. I'm not gonna lose the next trade. I've been winning the past 3 trades, so why the fuck do I lose? You know what I mean? So I continued doing that, and then the third day where I managed to flip the account to $2,000 or even $3,000, right? I decided that, you know what, let's flip this account even more. So I want to flip this $3,000 to $6,000. So to do that fast, I'm gonna have to use a lot size that is very humongous. So I use a lot size of, I forgot what's the lot size, maybe a 1 lot, let's say a standard lot. And I use that, I put on that trade with a single lot size, the standard lot size, and I go into a drawdown and I end up losing the entire $3,000 that I use my hard-earned money and my hard-earned time to achieve, and I blow the entire account in less than 5 minutes. What is this mistake called? It's called over trading. Over trading occurs when you have been losing a few trades in a row, but it's still...
Well, I mean, yo, that was just like... Was that not just one trade? Is that not just one trade?
A greedy motherfucker, and you end up losing that profits and giving the profits back to the market. Does that sound familiar? If you do any of these two things, you're over trading, man. And how you can avoid or prevent over trading is by setting a profit target or loss target for the day or for the week. An example is that, let's say during the week, my profit target is at 3%. I want to aim to make 3%, just 3% for the week. Once I reach 3%, I made 3% for the week, I'm not going to be trading. I'm going to shut off my computer and just...
The thing is, 3% for the week's insane. Like, imagine if you're on like a 400k account, you make 12k a week. Like, I feel like people just aren't realistic. And like, I make insane R to R and stuff, but I also take losses. And like, to make 3% in a week is still, like, these challenges aren't easy to pass.
just like not look at charts at all for the week.
Getting 3% is difficult.
But let's say your loss target is 3%. Once I lose over 3% of my capital, same thing, I'm gonna shut off my computer, not look at charts, and resume trading the next week. So this will really help you prevent this silly mistake or this common mistake. This will prevent you from over trading. So the next tip is to stay consistent, backtest, and keep track of what you are doing. You should be tracking all your trades when you are trading on live account. You should be tracking the losses, the wins, and find out what you can learn from these trades. And it should be consistent, and you should always backtest your trades. Okay, before you try out that trading strategy, like I said, go and backtest it first. So the next tip is, do not be greedy. Do not expect to make thousands of money, thousands of dollars with a small account, because that shit takes time. And these 2 points kind of link up together, which is why I included into one tip. Do not be a greedy motherfucker. Do not expect to make millions of dollars when you only have $100 into your trading account. Is that realistic? Or is it just your greed speaking? A lot of us, when we come into this market, we have this mindset that every single Forex trader drive a Lamborghini, have a big mansion, and have stacks of cash in their hand. And this has been popularized by like modern trading gurus where they advertise this shit to get your attention. These are marketers. These are not traders. There's a huge difference between them. So I want you to give up the expectation of making a large sum of money in a short amount of time with a small account. Because remember, just like any skill in the world, any high income skill, trading takes time. It takes a lot of time to learn. It takes a lot of time to master because a lot of trading requires your own mindset, your own trading psychology, and that shit takes years to master. So it takes a lot of time. You can make 6 figures in trading, but it's not gonna happen in the first year or the first few months unless you are a fucking genius. You can make 6 figures within a few years. That's 100% very much possible. Think about any high income job in the world. Doctors, scientists, business owners. Do they just become rich and make millions of dollars overnight? No, they spend years and years on studying, practicing, and applying what they have learned to finally reach that level where they are making 6 figures. It takes years and years. So why are you expecting to become a millionaire trader, a rich motherfucker who have a Lamborghini in 1 month, in your first month of trading?
Mate.
You think God is gonna let you?
Yo, I still don't. I mean, I just feel like I'm getting lectured right now. Like, obviously, he's just saying all of the points where he's probably learned from mistakes and stuff like that. But what's the real form? Like, I was expecting some sort of strategy that works 99.8% of times. You know what I
become
mean?
rich so easy? Hell no! Just remember that ups and downs are a part of trading, or rather a part of life. And in Forex trading, you cannot expect to get results within 2 to 3 weeks or within the first 2 to 3 months where you are trading. You cannot do that. You must really make sure you test out that trading strategy on a demo account, test out yourself and your emotions on the demo account to see how you can handle virtual money before you even start trading a live account. And also make sure you stick to 1 to 3 currency pairs. Alright, I always make sure I tell my students that at any point of time, you should only be focusing on at least 3 currency pairs. Okay, that's like the 3 currency pairs. That's like the perfect number of not too many or not too less currency pairs that you should focus on. Just 3. For me, I focus on gold, AUD USD, and GP USD. And also make sure you track all the trades that you have taken. It doesn't matter if you lost the trade or you won the trade. Track it down, record it down so that your future self will look back and say that, oh my god, this is a stupid mistake that I made and I will not make that stupid mistake again. You're recording the trades not for you but for your future self to refer to so that you can eventually become a better trader who makes more money. And like I said, use a trading strategy, backtest it to see whether it works for you, and after you have finally become successful and you are finally consistent on your demo account, you have been making money consistently every month on your demo account, then that is when you are finally ready to hop onto a live trading account and start applying the knowledge that you have learned. How do you know when you are ready to trade your live account, when you are ready to grow that small trading account? My answer is, you will know when you know. Remember, check out this video to see how to actually grow a small Forex trading account with little money. I give you like the 5 steps, or rather the 5 tips that you must take into account of. Click on this video right here to find out more.
Okay, we're gonna like and subscribe. I will watch this guy again. I actually enjoyed the video. I just wanted to know more about, you know, how to actually kind of grow. I know he said formula, not grow, but I was expecting some sort of growth video. You know how it is. You know how it is when you see them videos come up, the flipping videos and stuff, but they're actually strategy videos for small size account growth. So it was a good video nonetheless. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch his videos again. This guy's a joke, bro. He's putting insane amounts of views. I've never even heard of this guy before. And then look at this. 2.4k. And then all of a sudden, bang. Blow up, mate. Very, very nice channel. So yeah, check him out. Links in the description. And until next time, I'll catch you boys in a bit.